Hello students of 10th standard cbse. Here is a small question for you in chemistry. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following reaction. Iron reacts with steam to give ferric oxide and liberate hydrogen gas. You have to write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Iron reacts with steam to give ferric oxide and liberate hydrogen gas. Now how to write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction? The steps are very small and simple. The first thing is, first we have to remember the symbol for iron. The symbol for iron is Fe, and since iron is in solid state, so we have to write the symbol S inside the brackets. So iron is taken in solid form. It is treated with steam. So steam is nothing but water in its gaseous state. So H2O in gaseous state. So this is the reactant side, iron with water in its gaseous state, that is steam, to give ferric oxide. So for ferric oxide, we should remember the valency of iron in ferric oxide is 3. So if it is 3, then oxygen it will become 4. So Fe3O4 plus H2. Hydrogen is liberated. So we have written H2. H2 means hydrogen gas is H2 here. So here one more thing we have to add here is this iron oxide, it will be in solid state, whereas this hydrogen gas is liberated, so we can write G here. So this is the first step. First we have to write the chemical equation. Now if we check whether this is balanced, probably it is not balanced. So the steps number 2 is we have to count the number of atoms of each element on both the sides, that is reactant side as well as product side. So what are the different elements present in this equation? We have iron, hydrogen, oxygen. This side also we have iron, oxygen and hydrogen. So there are only 3 elements present in this equation. So let us write element 1, iron. If you see the number of atoms in the reactant side, only 1 atom is there. But if you see the number of atoms in the product side, there are 3 atoms are there. Next, hydrogen. On the reactant side, 2 atoms are there, and in case of product side also 2 atoms are there. So it means that hydrogen is balanced. Yes. Let us move to oxygen. In the case of reactant side, only 1 atom of oxygen is there, but whereas in the case of product side, 4 atoms are there. Now the third step is we have to equalize the number of atoms on both the sides of the reactant as well as the product. So for that, what we will do here is we will take the biggest number which is there and multiply the same element with that. So when we see here, oxygen has 4 atoms in the product side. So let us multiply the atom oxygen also with 4, in which oxygen is present, that molecule has to be multiplied. So here in water only oxygen is present, so water will be multiplied by 4. So this is the third step. So iron plus 4H2O now gives Fe3O4 plus hydrogen H2. Now again, when we count the number of atoms, you may find that the equation is not still balanced. So here iron 1 atom is there. Hydrogen, this is, you have to multiply here. 4 2s are 8 hydrogen atoms are there, and this side only 2 atoms are there. In case of oxygen, oxygen alone is balanced. Here also 4 atoms, here also 4 atoms. So next step is we have to check and balance the remaining atoms too. So after checking, let us balance the remaining atoms. So we will get, so 3 atoms of iron are here. Let us multiply on the reactant side also with 3. So we will get 3 Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4. And to balance hydrogen atoms, there are 8 atoms this side, but only 2 atoms are there this side. So what do? We multiply by 4. So 4 2s are 8. Now after balancing, recheck again. Let us recheck again and see whether all the elements have the same number of atoms on both the sides of the equation. So reactant side iron 3 here, product side 3. Hydrogen 8 atoms, here also 8. Oxygen 4, this side also 4. So this is the balanced chemical equation. And one more thing, we have to include the state of matter too here. So iron here it is solid, water it is gaseous because it is steam here. Then again iron oxide is also solid here. Then liberation of hydrogen gas, so it is gas here. So that's regarding balancing this chemical equation. and writing the reaction for this reaction, particular reaction. For more reactions like this, for more easy method of solving the equations and writing the balancing equations, you can join my class which starts from November 1. Thank you.